function definition, function in a sentence, function pronunciation, function meaning. Welcome to another research paper word, American pronunciation of function. Function. Func-tion. Function. Function as a noun means the natural purpose of something or the duty of a person. Common usages in academic writing: the function of has two functions: brain function, body function. Example sentences: function, noun. Its original function was to divert rainwater. Example sentence number 2. It's a disease that affects the function of the nervous system. Example sentence number 3. The function of that electronic component is difficult to determine. Please write a sentence using function in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of function, the meaning of function, and function example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.